Hi, welcome to third and final tutorial about TraderSoft accounting software. In previous tutorials, we already discussed so many functions, accounting functions. So we need to discuss the remaining functions in this tutorial. Okay, firstly, let's know how to check daybook. For to check daybook, click on accounts, click on daybook button. Then you can enter from to date here. You can enter from to date here and click on show button. Then you can see the day book for that particular period. Let's know how to check trail balance. Click on accounts, click on trail balance button, select the type of trail balance, decide which trail balance you need. Two options here, summary and detail. Okay, then select the detail option. For detail trail balance, provide the from and to date here and click on show button. Then you will see the trail balance of that particular period. Then let's know how to check profit and loss account. For check profit and loss account, click on accounts, click on profit and loss account button, select type. Here is two options available, detail and summary. Now select detail option and provide from and to date here and click on show button. Then you will see the profit and loss account of that particular period. Let's know how to check balance sheet. Click on accounts and click on balance sheet button. There is two options, summarized and detailed balance sheet available. Two options available. Select detail option and provide from and to date here and click on show button. Then you will see the balance sheet of that particular period. Okay, you can give starting and ending date for a financial year. For this, click on accounts and click on end of year button. Provide starting date. You can see the company name here. So you can give the starting date and ending date for a new financial year and provide all details and click on apply button. Then the process will be finished. Software providing one analysis window for modifications. Let's start the discussion. Click on Windows and click on analysis window button. Then you can see all masters, that is category, you can see here the masters, that is it is the creation tables. You can see category, manufacturer, item, account group, ledger, customer, supplier, area, salesman, and also you can see the all transactions, opening stock, sales, petty sale, post, quotation, receipt, journal, all masters and transaction you can see on the left side of the window. Then you can modify or cancel or delete these things. For example, click on category. Then you can see a list on the right side here, a category, this list on the right side you can see. Select any category. Here is only one category here. Then Then you can modify this category. You can change the name, description, and after click save button, you can delete this category also. Okay, by using, if double click the category button and select the red cross button, select the category and press the red cross button on the top side. Then one message will become, are you sure want to delete? Then click on yes button, then the item will be deleted. So you can you need to modify any masters or any transactions, then you can use analysis window for edit, for rename, or for delete any transactions. Then you can use this window. Let's study about search window. For search analysis, for search any transaction, click on Windows and click on search window button. Then you can see all transactions on the left side, like opening stock, sales, petty sales, post, quotation, sales return, purchase, all transactions here on the left side. Click on any transaction. For example, click on post, point of sale. Then you can see post bills on the right side of the screen. You can search here by type, you can type on voucher number. For example, type 2 and click on show button. Then the second bill, post bill, will be appear. You can see bill number 2 on your screen. If you need any modification on this bill, double click on it and make changes. You can see this second number invoice available here. Then you can make any modifications, any changes here, here. You can make any changes and press the save button. Then the bill will be modified. You can also delete this bill by using red cross button here, delete option. You can delete this invoice by using this red cross button. Then then one message will become, are you want to delete? Click on yes button. Then this transaction, the post transaction, will be deleted. You can search any transactions by using search window option. If you need to check purchase, then click on purchase. Then type the voucher number here and click on show button. Like this, you can search journal vouchers. You can search sales, post, delivery note, receipt, payment. All transaction you can search here by using search window option. For search items, click on Windows and click on item search button. Then enter item code, item code or name. You can enter item code or name. Then click on search button. Then the item will be here. You can see item code, item name, purchase rate, sales rate, MRP, all all informations here about that item. Okay, then for searching item, click on Windows and click on item search. Then you can search any items here. Okay, for search customers, click on Windows, click on customer search button here. Type customer name, any name. Okay, any name you can type here and click on search button. Then you will get that customer's details, customer name, balance, mobile number, all this. So for supplier search, click on Windows and click on supplier search button. Type supplier name here and click on search button. Then you will get all supplier details. Okay. Then software provides backup and restore options. For backup, click on utilities, click on backup button, select company name. You want to backup so many companies here, so select the name you want to backup. Select the company name, browse backup path. Here you need to browse backup, give backup path and click on start button. Then backup will be start. For restore, click on utilities, click on restore button. Again select restore here and select the company you need to restore, which company you need to restore, and select the browse the path and click on start button. Then the restore will be start. Software providing calculator options also. Any calculation you can use calculator here. Providing calculator option. Okay. Let's discuss how to migrate data from other software or Excel sheet. For this, click on utilities, click on data migration button, provide migrating date here. Migrating date here, you can provide migrating date. Browse the Excel sheet which data you want to migrate. Here you can browse where is your original file, then you can browse it. Select the file, Excel file you need to migrate. Select item if you need to migrate items. So if you need to migrate item from other software, then select item here, click on item here and or select ledger. For ledger migration, select here ledger. If you need to migrate ledger from other software, then select ledger option, or select account group. If you need to migrate account group from other softwares, from other Excel sheets, then click on account group. After select all these, press load button here for start the migration. This the Excel sheet you need to migration should be the same format as software migrating window. That is should be the same format. SL number, ledger name, alias, account group type, or if you need to migrate item, serial number, item code, item name, category, purchase rate, sales rate, should be the same format you need to migrate the Excel sheet. The Excel sheet you need to migrate should be the same format as software migration window, like this. Should be this format. Okay, let's discuss how to manage barcode. Click on utilities, click on barcode manager, then barcode manager window will be appear. You can create a new barcode manually or update existing barcode. You can create a new barcode here or update the existing barcode, or you can delete the current barcode here. For create a new barcode, click on new button here. Select the item code and type new batch code you want to create. Here is already on. You need to select item code and the batch code of that item. Then you can type new barcode here and click on save button. Then the barcode will be changed for this item, selected item. Also you can update the barcode by using this function. Select the item code and select the batch code, and you can give new batch code here and click on save button. Then the barcode will be updated. Same process in delete option. For delete the barcode, click on delete option and select the item code, then select the batch code, then click on delete button, then batch code will be deleted. Okay, there is a settings printer options also for barcode printing. You can select which printer, then select the printer and then you can select the barcode printer here. So we already discussed the data migration options and barcode options also. Let's discuss how to function viewing machine. Click on Windows, click on viewing machine button. You can select the path here. If then you can save. You can click on save button. Then the function, the viewing machine will be connect from to the software. Then you can use that. You can use that facility. Okay. If you are a production unit, then don't worry, software providing production options also. Software provides production option in our software. Click on transactions, click on production, select date, the date of production, select raw materials, batch code, item name, quantity, purchase rate, sales rate, MRP rate. Provide all this information. These materials is our which is purchasing from our suppliers. So provide all details, batch code, item name, quantity. These items will be used for production. So give all details of that items and select finished goods, batch code, item name, quantity, purchase rate, sales rate, MRP rate, etc. So provide all information of that product which you are using for production, and provide all information about finished goods here, and after click on save button, then the process will be finished. So we already discussed how to use production option in this software. This function will be helpful only for production units only, not useful for retail or other service companies. This is only useful for production purposes. Okay. If your company is a service based organization, then you can enter the receipt without any stock. This receipt will not affect the stock system. For this, click on transactions, click on service receipt, enter date here, item code, amount, description, and click on save button. So this service receipt is not affecting the stock items. So if your company is a service oriented business, you can use this service. This is not affecting the stock items. When we create a item, and when we create the item, you can select service option for service items here. Item. If we are creating items, then here is some options available. You can select there is two options here. You can select the service option. So this item, if we select the service option, then this item is not affecting the stock. So if you have a service oriented business, then create item here, then select the service option here. There is two options, stock item options and service options are available here. Then select service option. So if you select service option, then at the time you need to prepare the sales bill, then it is not affecting the stock item. So use this option for service oriented businesses. You can see physical stock register option on transactions. Click on transaction and click on physical stock register button. You can in or out the extra or shortage stocks by using this window. Select date here and provide batch code. Enter the quantity. Select batch code, item name, and enter the quantity you want to in or out the stock. For enter stock into the system, use quantity in option. This option. There is two options available here: quantity in option and quantity out option. If you need to enter stock into the system, use quantity in option. This option. For out the shortage of physical stock, for out from the software, use quantity out option. Type the quantity you need to in or you need to out. Provide purchase rate, sales rate, MRP rate, and click on save button. So this option is here in a single window. There is two options: quantity in option and quantity out option. For in any items into software, use quantity in option. For out any shortage items, physical stock items, use these options. Type the quantity here or here and give purchase rate, sales rate, MRP rate. Then this item will be delete, or this item will be add uh, in your system, and after click on save button, the process will be finished. You can see login history, that means how many users are logged in within a specific duration. For this, click on Windows and click on login button, log window button, and select from to date. You can select from to date and click on show button. Then the login history will be appear. You can see here date, time, username, which user logged, and activity is activity, which user and his activity, and description, which computer he used, which time, which date. So you can the admin can check which users are using your systems, and how much works he done. So this is the log window. This is the logging history. You can see the log history through this window by using log window option. Software providing user management facility. Let's discuss how it's functioning. Firstly, click on settings and click on user button, and again click on user button. Then provide any user group name. For example, type accounts on group name window. And you can see so many then again software providing user management facility. Let's discuss. Firstly, click on settings and click on users, and click on user group button. Then provide user name, any user group name. For example, type accounts here. Now we are creating a new user group. Type accounts on group name window, and you can see so many tick marks on this table here. Tick marks giving the authorization. If you remove this tick marks, the new group have no authorization for view, create, edit, and delete any transaction. You can see so many tick marks here. This is the authorization for the for this group. If you remove these tick marks, then there is no authorization. You have no authorization for that group. So type the group name, and remove or add the tick marks whatever you want, and click on save button here. Then the new group will be created. If you want to create a user, click on settings, click on user, and again click on user button. Provide display name, for example any name, and select the user group, and provide display name, here, select the user group here and provide username and password. Username and password. And retype the password again for confirm password for that user. So we already give the display name for a new user and select the user group, and already give user name and his password and retype the password for confirm password, and select the save button. Then the user will be the new user will be created. You can change the password for the current user. You can change the password for the current user also. For this, click on settings. Click on user and click on change password button and provide current password, the remaining password, the current password, and provide new password and confirm the new password. Retype here the new password and click on apply button. Click on apply button here. Then you already changed the password of a current user. You can also log off and log in by using log off button. Click on settings, click on user, and there is one option here, log off option. Then you can log off or log in by using this function. Software providing so many extra features. Let's discuss about it. Click on settings, click on applications, click on settings, click on application button. In this window, under general option, you can under general option, click on general option. You can change VAT percentage. There is digital rounding options for quantity, price, currency, bill amount. You can provide currency name here. You can change the currency name like dinar, dirham, fils, etc. If you put the tick mark on the edit sale rate, if you put the tick mark on the edit sale rate, then you can edit sale rate, and you can edit the sale rate at the time of making sales invoices here. If you need cash desk option, summarize invoices, advanced search option, update item rate. If you need all these facilities, then provide tick marks here like this. If you need like this, if you need this facility, then provide tick mark. If you don't need, then avoid the tick mark. Then software providing the extra facilities for rounding, software providing the VAT percentage facilities, rounding facilities, and so many extra facilities. If you need these facilities, give tick marks, or don't need, about the tick mark. If you need item description, item discount, free facilities on sales invoices, then click on needy functions here, item discount, free. If you need these facilities, provide tick marks. And let's see, click on voucher. Then you can see so many voucher options here: petty sale, quotation, purchase and sales order, delivery, debit and credit note, physical stock production. Like you can see additional vouchers options. These vouchers are not in regular use. Select the needy vouchers for see these vouchers in transaction. If you select these if you provide tick marks on quotation, then you can see in transaction here these vouchers will be appear there. These are not for regular use. If you need these vouchers, then tick on this option. Then you can see these vouchers facilities in transactions here. Click on advanced facility, advanced option. Click on advanced button. Then you can activate auto backup facility. Here you can provide auto backup facility, and you can select the path, backup path, and you can enable barcode facilities here. When you click on control panel, when you click on control panel button, then you can see clear all transactions here, clear all data here, and system update options here. For example, if you click on clear all transactions, then you should provide administrator password and click on OK button. Then all transaction will be deleted. Provide administrator password and click on OK button. Then all transaction will be deleted in a single step. If you make any changes in application, settings, don't forget to click on save button. If you make any changes here, any changes in application, don't forget to press save button, this button. Okay. Software providing so many other facilities also, like debit note, credit note facility, receipt note, contra and petty sales options also. Okay, we already cover all functions of our software through 3 tutorials. We cover all functions of our software through 3 tutorials. Okay, thanks a lot.